This box is heavy and slippery, man. Like I said, I'm gonna struggle getting it back in here when them subs in, so I might have to call for reinforcement or something, call for some help. But yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. I said, it's gonna be all the way here, and yes, it does still, the trunk does still close. See, no trouble at all. Y'all hear it? That's just the weather stripping holding it up, but it'll close, no trouble. So looking all good when I get the subs put into this box. But yeah, as y'all can see, the box does go all the way back here, which is where I want it, and it's still room up front, so the subs won't be too close to here, and the box won't, it shouldn't move, you feel me? The box is heavy and steady. Look, I'm shaking the car, so the box should not move whatsoever. So it should be perfectly in here, it should not move. Like I said, everything should be good. But now I gotta get this box back out of the trunk, because in the next video we are putting them subs in this box, which I am very, very, very excited for. But I'm telling you, I'm so excited to get them subs in this box. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now this video, man, I know I'm gonna regret doing this video, but I'm gonna do it, you know what I'm saying, just so y'all can get some measurements, idea of how it's gonna look in the trunk, all that stuff, you feel me? This video, we finna go ahead and sit the box in the trunk. Now this box is heavy, bro, so I'm finna put it in the trunk and I have to take it right back out for the next video, because we're gonna be mounting the subs in the box in the next video. So like I said, I know I'm finna regret doing this video, because I'm finna have to put it in the trunk to take it back out again. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? It's the, not the risk, but this the, what's the word I'm looking for? Well, this is just what I'm finna do for the content, you know what I'm saying? For y'all, you know what I'm saying? Try to do this so y'all can get an idea of how it's gonna look. Y'all can get an idea of how big the box is, how much room gonna be left in the trunk, all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this for y'all, you know? So, like I said, I'm gonna take some measurements, and then we're gonna pull out the subs from out of the trunk, you feel me? The new CT sounds, I sat them in the trunk last night because it got dark on me. I need to get back in the house. It got dark and got cold quick. So yeah, we're gonna pull them out of the trunk. I'm gonna get my tape measure, which I don't know where it's at, in my charger. I'm gonna have to get it out the charger, and then we're gonna measure this box, and I'm gonna show y'all the measurements of it, you know what I'm saying? Which I think it was 22 and a half from like the rear bumper part to the front to the back seat, you know what I'm saying, close to that area. So it was like 22 and a half, I think, is the box. Like I said, we're gonna measure everything, man. We're gonna do it all, you feel me? And then like I said, the next video we're gonna go ahead and mount the subs in the box. We're gonna wire it up and then get everything fully finalized and finished. Then we're gonna put the box in the trunk, wire it up to the amp, then everything will be done with the subwoofer portion. Then I gotta start working on the rear deck, which y'all know I got my 6x9s. They over here, y'all can barely see, but they over there. I gotta get my board, for my wood board, and I'm also be making my center console for the box Chevy, and I'm gonna be making a custom grill for the box Chevy soon too. I gotta get the triple woven material for it, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get that material soon, the mesh for it. But yeah, we're gonna be making a custom grill soon too. But yeah, I gotta get my wood board so I can make my center console for the box Chevy, center console for here, which, well, part of the center console for here for the EQ holder, and the rear deck. So I gotta get my slab of wood, I gotta get some material, and I gotta get some glue. Those three things, I gotta get those. I'm trying to get them within the next week. I'm waiting on Lowe's, you know what I'm saying? That's it. Lowe's gotta cut the board up for me so I can be able to pack it back home in my charger. But yeah, man, like I said, we're gonna go ahead. The box is right there. If y'all didn't see the last video, go check the last video out. We did an unboxing. I showed y'all the box and everything. So I might show it to y'all. Y'all gonna see it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm probably not gonna do like no full in-depth talk about it like I did in the last video. Y'all gotta go check that video out. But yeah, like I said, this video, we're gonna test fit it in the trunk so y'all can see how it's gonna sit in the trunk. Y'all can get a visual, a good idea of how everything is gonna look in the trunk with that box. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to auto. Y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Roll to 5,000 subscribers, so I need your help to hit that goal. Share the content on all social media platforms if you can, you know what I'm saying? Screen recording, do whatever you can. Subscribe if you're new. Share the channel, share this video. Just help me keep growing this channel, man. Let's try to take it as far as we can take it. Other than that, I'll catch you once we get outside the car. I gotta get my tape measure out of my charger, and then I'm gonna show y'all some measurements. So y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoy. All right, y'all, so y'all hear it's starting to rain again, but first thing first, we need to go ahead and take out the boxes with the subs in there out of the trunk. You feel me? 1 sub, 2 sub. We're gonna get both of them out of the trunk. That way they'll be out. You feel me? They'll be out of the trunk. So that's the first thing I need to go ahead and do. So let me sit y'all here while I take this one out. Oh, 1 second. All right, sub number 1 is out. Let's go ahead and get sub number 2. Try and drag it over here. Sub number 2. Oh. All right, now that both of those are out, y'all see my good little amp. We wired it up yesterday. I need to go ahead and put the speaker wires in there and then cut them down to the perfect length so it won't be too much wires just everywhere. And I need to clean off the board again because I was messing with the wires and got wire strippings all over the trunk again. So I need to clean off the board again, but that's fine. You know, that's perfectly fine. So, and like I said, extra speaker wires because we're gonna wire the subs up today. And yeah, I'm gonna shut down the trunk for now. Got my tape measure, so now we can go ahead and measure this box. So actually I'm gonna sit y'all here and then put y'all down some. So if the way we're gonna measure is gonna be length, width, and height. So we're gonna start off with the length of the box, which is about 3 feet. 3 feet is the length. We're gonna do this way. It's about 22 3/4. About 22 3/4. Let me try and scoot y'all up some so y'all can see a little bit better. There we go. So if we go right here, y'all can see about 22 3/4 right there at 22 3/4. And like I said, the length, let me go this way so y'all can see it, is literally exactly 3 feet. Exactly 3 feet. And if we do the height, it's 15 inches is the height. Let me lock it in place for y'all to see. There we go. Oh, it didn't lock, but 15 feet is the height. So, perfect. That's the box size. You know what I'm saying? That's the size of my Q-bomb box that I got for my 212s, the CT Sounds. Ain't no fork or no holes, I mean, for the screws, so I'm gonna have to make my own holes. And hopefully I have enough screws to be able to put them in. But yeah, we're gonna get everything done. Y'all can see I have to connect them back there. And same thing on this side, connect it back there. But yeah, now I gotta grab this big old heavy box and try to sit it inside the trunk. So what I'm gonna do is sit y'all inside the trunk while I go grab the box. And we're gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna sit y'all right here. Is that good? What y'all think? Yeah, that seemed good enough. Let me grab the box real quick. This box is heavy and very slippery. Very heavy, very slippery. I know I'm gonna struggle with when the subs get in the box. I'm gonna really struggle getting this box in here. But let me sit y'all up here now while I try to adjust it. Alright. Go over a little bit. As far back as it's gonna go. That's how it's gonna sit in here. This box is heavy and slippery, man. Like I said, I'm gonna struggle getting it back in here when them subs in, so I might have to call for reinforcement or something. Call for some help. But yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. I said, it's gonna be all the way here, and yes, it does still, the trunk does still close. See, no trouble at all. Y'all hear it? That's just the weather stripping holding it up, but it'll close, no trouble. So I'm not worried about this. Like I said, that part of the trunk will still close. But yeah, y'all can see the subs. Y'all will barely see the subs, but you'll still be able to tell. And like I said, big old nice size box. You'll still see the amps back there, which is perfect. That's what I wanted. I want you to still be able to see the amps and the nice little wiring job. Those wires will be gone. Those wires will be gone. So there will be nothing inside the trunk besides the box, the amps, and the subs. So y'all let me know what y'all think. My fingers are getting cold, so I'm gonna have to run in the house for a few minutes. Sit in the house for a little bit. 1 second, my bad. I'm trying to warm my fingers up because it is very cold. But like I said, I'm too excited to get these subs in here. But yeah, this is the box, man. That's how it's gonna look inside the car. Y'all let me know what y'all think. We're gonna have one wire coming to this side, and then the same thing on this side. The wires aren't in the back, which is perfect. You feel me? When I seen the box was like this is what I wanted. You feel me? Because I can run the wires from here, from that port, run them under the board, and go into the amp on the other side. And the same thing with that side, run them under the board and into the amp. So they'll be hidden too. The only time you'll see them is on the sides when you look on the side of the car, or on the side of the box, I mean. So it's perfect, but I'm telling you, it's what I wanted. And like I said, it's a big old nice size box, so when you pop that trunk, it'll look dope. You know what I'm saying? Got a big old box in here with 2 12s, 2 amps. The wires look good, so you feel me? At car shows, I can pop the trunk, let the trunk be shown, because this was a lot of hours put into this trunk. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seeing it. This is a lot of hours put into this trunk. Even though it ain't really too much of customizations on my part besides my board, it's still a lot of hours in this trunk. Well, if you add them together, it ain't too many hours. Probably took me a couple of hours to run the wires from the inside of the car to the trunk. A couple of hours to actually wire everything, wire both the amps up. It's probably gonna take me about 30 minutes to do the amp, which probably won't, I mean not the amp, the sub box. And that's with putting the subs in, probably about 30 minutes to an hour, so it won't be too hard, too long. It's just I want to make sure that I get the subs looking perfectly in the box. You feel me? Perfectly straight up and down. Straight shot the side. The CT sound symbol is dead center, you feel me, and not tilted a little bit. So that's my plan, man. Try to make sure I get it looking all good when I get the subs put into this box. But yeah, as y'all can see, the box does go all the way back here, which is where I want it, and it's still room up front, so the subs won't be too close to here, and the box won't, it shouldn't move. You feel me? The box is heavy and steady. Look, I'm shaking the car, so the box should not move whatsoever. So it should be perfectly in here. It should not move. Like I said, everything should be good. But now I gotta get this box back out of the trunk, because in the next video we are putting them subs in this box, which I am very excited for. But I'm telling you, I'm so excited to get them subs in this box and be done with this project. I just want to hear everything, bro. I want to hear everything sound. So hopefully the box is sealed up good. Hopefully the box can handle this power. Like I said, I've seen plenty of cars with this type of box in their cars, so hopefully the box can handle these subs, and like I said, the power from these subs. So yep, my sub amp has 0 gauge wire on it, which is perfect. Nice strong wire. And then my DS18 has, like I said, I think it's 4 gauge or 5 gauge. So got the distribution block splitting them off, so that's perfectly fine. And then a big old box. Like I said, hopefully it can handle the power. But other than that, stay tuned for the next video. We will be getting these installed into the trunk, and yeah, getting them wired up. So y'all stay tuned, man. I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll catch y'all for the outro. All right, y'all, so this is gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all like the box in the trunk. And like I said, I wanted something that was gonna fill up the full trunk, you know what I'm saying? And that's what that does, that fills up the trunk. And it was a good price, you feel me? I ain't have to go too crazy on the price for a custom box to be made. that one fits in the trunk perfectly. It's literally perfect. I still have room on the sides, which is what I wanted, you know what I'm saying? I still want to have my trunk somewhat functional, because I'm not always gonna have that music playing, you feel me? Or have the subs playing, I mean to say. My sound is always gonna play, but I'm not always gonna have the subs playing. So I definitely wanted like a little bit of room on each side of the box, say. So you feel me? So to say, that way I could put something in the trunk if I need to, you feel me? Like I said, say I go to a grocery store and I get like some groceries and I don't feel like throwing it inside the car. I don't know when that ever happened, but I'd rather just throw them in the trunk. Then I can still do that because I still have room on each side of the trunk, but the box is still big enough to where it covers up a lot of the trunk, you know what I'm saying? That's what I wanted. And that was literally, like I said, the perfect box, the perfect size. I gave y'all the measurements of it and everything, and yeah, it looks good, bro. Everything looks really good, and I'm just, like I said, very excited to actually get them subs in there, which is gonna be, like I said, the next video, bro. I'm so excited to get them in there and be able to see them. I gotta be real careful though when I put it back in the car. I don't have a lot of room, like I told y'all, in this tent, but I gotta be, like I said, really careful putting them in, because I don't wanna, on the trunk latch, I don't wanna damage them subs. They're brand new, bro. I don't wanna damage them on that trunk latch when I'm putting that box back in that car, or back in this car, I'm gonna say. So, but other than that, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share this video, subscribe if you're new. Post these videos on the social medias, you feel me? Do whatever you can. Help me keep growing, you feel me? The more we grow, the more I can start doing, the more I can go out with more people, you feel me? More car people, all that type of stuff, bro. I need this channel to grow more though. I need it to actually grow and for it to actually pay off, you feel me? All this money I'm spending on these cars is from me, not from these videos. I'm not making nothing from these videos, you know? All this stuff is coming from my pockets, not the pockets for the content, you know? But like I said, other than that, it don't bother me. I love spending money on these cars because this is something I enjoy. This is one of my passions. This basketball, you feel me? This is my passion. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this one though. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.